Hello children, welcome back to Mahila Samaja digital classes. Dear children, in today's class let us know about the fifth lesson in your English reader, the Rangoli continuation part. The Rangoli lesson was written by Titi Tavora. Titi Tavora was born in the year 1960 in Pune in Bengali family. Dear children, now let us quick recap the first paragraph of the lesson, the Rangoli. The Rangoli is a small story of a young boy whose name is Akhil. Here, nobody appeared or seemed to want Akhil around. Akhil's dad just acting like in a discouraging manner and went out of the kitchen. And his mummy wanted send him outside because she want to clean her kitchen. So here everybody was busy getting ready for Diwali festival. Akhil spent his time doing nothing and he felt sorry for himself. Then mummy said to Akhil, Akhil, try to draw Rangoli for this year Diwali festival. But Akhil replied doubtfully, I have never done it before. His mother encouraged him, I am sure Akhil, you will be able to do it. Akhil wondered and asked his mother, what design shall I make, mom? He sat on the floor and thinking of what to draw. Then he got an idea and he decided to draw Diya. Here Akhil chose the same spot where his mother drew the Rangoli every year, right outside the front door. He settled down with the steel tray full of little packets of red, orange, yellow, green and white colors. He sat on the floor and thinking of what to draw. Then he got an idea and he decided to draw Diya. Yes, that would be the most appropriate design for Diwali. He began tracing the outline on the floor. Then Akhil heard a small voice, May I help you? Akhil looked up. Mumtaz, his neighbor, was standing in the doorway. He hesitated as he did not know her very well. Before Akhil could answer, Mumtaz sat down and began dipping her fingers into the powders. Then Akhil said to Mumtaz, Mumtaz, come and sit here and you make your design that side because I am making a diya here. Dear children, this is the summary of the first paragraph of the lesson, the Rangoli. Now move on to the second paragraph of the lesson, the Rangoli. Now I will read the lesson, the Rangoli. Observe and listen. Mumtaz nodded. Both the children worked in silence for some time. Why don't you never come to play with us in the park? Akhil asked as he filled the outline of the flame with orange powder. Ami says the other children might not like that, replied Mumtaz without lifting her head. Akhil felt embarrassed. He did not know what to say. Finally, he asked, why is that so? Ammi says, It is because we are Muslims, said Mumtaz. I would love to play with you. I like you, said Akil. Mumtaz did not say anything. She just smiled shyly at him. There? How does that look? She asked. It is beautiful, exclaimed Akil, admiring the design. Mumtaz had made a castle with domes. It is Alauddin's castle, she said. And what does this mean? Asked Akil, pointing to something she had written under the castle. This means Diwali Mubarak. Happy Diwali. I have written in Urdu, she explained. They were so absorbed in what they were doing, they did not hear Mumtaz's mother come to look for Mumtaz. Seeing Mumtaz busy with the colors, she scolded her. Mumtaz, don't meddle with his rangoli. She is not meddling, auntie. In fact, she is helping me, Akil explained. Let her be. They are enjoying it, said Akil's mother, who had come out upon hearing the voices. You are sure you don't mind? Asked Mumtaz's mother. She has written in Urdu and he has made a diya. Smiled Akil's mother. What better way is there to show that festivals are for coming together? There we have finished, said Akil. Do you like it, mummy? Of course, Akil assured his mother, drawing him and Mumtaz close. Believe me, I could never have made such a beautiful and colorful rangoli. She smiled at Mumtaz's mother, who smiled back. Let us know about some new words with their meanings which are related to the lesson, the rangoli. Mopped. Spent time doing nothing and felt sorry for himself. Embarrassed, shy or ashamed. Meddle. To become involved in something that does not concern you or interfere. Seemed, appeared. Shewed, acting in a discouraging manner. Appropriate, suitable or relevant. Dipping, sink or put or let something into liquid. Castle, fort or palace. Assured, confident. Scolded, remonstrate with angrily. Absorbed, having one's attention fully engaged or greatly interested. Admiring, regard with respect or appreciate. Exclaimed, cry out, scream. Suddenly in surprise, strong emotion or pain. Now move on to the explanation. Here Akil said to Mumtaz, come and sit here. You make your design that side. Why? Because I am making here diya. Mumtaz nodded and then both the children worked in silence for some time. Mumtaz said yes and they worked in silence for some time. Then Akhil asked. After some time, Akhil asked to Mumtaz, "Why don't you ever come to play with us in the park? Why don't you ever come to play with us in the park?" Then he filled the outline of the flame with orange color or orange powder. Mumtaz replied without lifting her head. Mumtaz replied without lifting her head. Ami says the other children might not like that. So Akhil felt embarrassed. Embarrassed means shy or ashamed. Akhil felt ashamed. He did not know what to reply. He did not know what to say to Mumtaz. Finally, he asked to Mumtaz, "Why is that so?" Finally, he asked to Mumtaz, "Why is that so?" Mumtaz replied, "Ami told me because of we are Muslims." Mumtaz replied, "Ami told me because we are Muslims." Akhil said, "I would like to play with you." Akhil said, "I would like to play with you." Mumtaz did not say anything. She just smiled and shyly at him. Here, shyly means in a nervous or timid manner. Mumtaz did not say anything. She just smiled and shyly at him. Then Akhil said to Mumtaz, "Your design looking very beautiful." Then Akhil said to Mumtaz, "Your design looking very beautiful." Here Akhil appreciate the Mumtaz design. Akhil appreciate the Mumtaz design. Mumtaz had made a castle with domes. Mumtaz had made a castle with domes. Castle means fort or palace. Castle means fort or palace. Then Akhil asked to Mumtaz, "What does this mean?" Then Akhil asked to Mumtaz, "What does this mean? And what do you had written under the castle?" Then Akhil asked to Mumtaz, "What does this mean? And what do you had written under the castle?" Mumtaz had made a castle with domes. Castle means fort or palace. Then here Akhil asked to Mumtaz, "What does this mean? And what do you have written under the castle?" Mumtaz replied, "It means Diwali Mubarak or Happy Diwali. I have written in Urdu." Mumtaz replied, "It means Diwali Mubarak or Happy Diwali that I have written in Urdu." Here, Akhil and Mumtaz deeply involved in what they were doing. Akhil and Mumtaz deeply involved in what they were doing. Mumtaz replied, "It is Alauddin's castle and I have written in Urdu Happy Diwali or Diwali Mubarak." And here Akhil and Mumtaz deeply involved in what they were doing. Akhil and Mumtaz were fully engaged, or they are showing greatly interested on their works. Then Mumtaz's mother came to look for Mumtaz. But here Mumtaz was busy with the colors and doing designs. Then Mumtaz's mother came to look for Mumtaz, but here Mumtaz was busy with the colors and doing designs. Mumtaz's mother scolded her nicely. Mumtaz's mother scolded her nicely. Mumtaz's mother remonstrated with angrily to Mumtaz. Then here Akhil explained to Mumtaz's mother, she is not meddling, auntie. In fact, she is helping me. She is not interfering, auntie. In fact, she is helping me. Then Akhil's mother said, let them live to draw their own designs, and they also enjoying it. Akhil's mother said, let them live to draw their own designs, and they also enjoying it. Then Mumtaz's mother asked, are you sure you don't mind? Are you sure you don't mind? Then Akhil's mother smiled and said, she has written in Urdu and he has made a diya. Its better way is there to show that festivals are for coming together. Its better way is there to show that festivals are for coming together. Then Akhil asked to his mummy, Mom, we are finished our designs. Do you like it, Mom? Akhil's mom replied, of course, Akhil, I liked it. Of course, Akhil, I liked it. Here, assured means confident. Akhil's mother said, of course, Akhil, I like it. Your designs are looking very beautiful. Yours and Mumtaz's designs are looking very beautiful and colorful. Akhil's mother smiled at Mumtaz's mother, who smiled back. Akhil's mother said, both the designs are looking very beautiful and colorful. Dear children, today's home assignment. Write these questions 2 times in your English homework book. Write neatly in cursive handwriting. Answer the following questions briefly. Why did Akhil want to draw a diya as his Rangoli design? Akhil wanted to draw a diya as his Rangoli design because it was appropriate for the festival of Diwali. Why did Akhil hesitate when Mumtaz wanted to help? Akhil hesitated on seeing Mumtaz as he did not know her very well. Why did not Mumtaz ever go to play with the other children in the park? Mumtaz never went out to play with other kids in the park as her mother said that other kids may not like her and that she may be unwelcomed. Why did Mumtaz's mother scold her? Mumtaz's mother scolded her because she thought that Mumtaz was meddling with Akil's Rangoli. Thank you, students.